Welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author, and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is explain the .NET framework in detail. As we appear for a .NET technology interview, this is one of the most basic and fundamental questions that is asked by the interviewer to understand the grasp of the .NET framework and how much the candidate is aware about the .NET framework. So, what is the .NET framework? The .NET framework is a software that is designed and developed by the Microsoft, and this framework helps in providing a runtime environment and a comprehensive class library for building and running our applications. Now, let's understand there are many components in .NET framework which help the framework or a program to function properly. The most important is the CLR or the Common Language Runtime. The Common Language Runtime, this is the execution engine of the .NET framework. It manages and executes the code written in the .NET language. This provides services like memory management, security, exception handling, and garbage collection. Code written for the .NET framework is compiled into an intermediate language code that is called MSIL, and which is then executed by the CLR, that is Common Language Runtime. The next important component is the framework class library, also popularly known as FCL. This is a vast collection of reusable class and interfaces that provide functionality for common programming tasks. This covers a wide range of area including the data access, working with the database using ADO.NET, user interface, building Windows Form application through WinForm, and web application using ASP.NET. Networking, communicating with other systems over the network, security, implementing the security measures, parsing XML data, graphics, and collections, where we are working with the other data structure like list, array, and dictionaries. So these are the two important components of the .NET framework. Now let's have a look into the key feature of the .NET framework. The key feature of the .NET framework is language interoperability. It supports multiple programming languages such as C#, VB.NET, C++, F#, and many more to be compiled in intermediate language, and that can be then executed by CLR. The next is cross-platform compatibility. While primarily designed for the Windows application, but now the .NET technologies have extended support for the multiple different operating systems where you can execute your .NET written code. The next is memory management and security feature. The CLR is basically responsible for handling the memory management automatically, and it helps in reducing the risk of the memory leak, which also takes care of the security and provides a robust security including code access security, role-based security, and cryptographic services as well. The other feature is the rich development environment. The Microsoft Visual Studio provides a comprehensive development environment with the features like coding, editing, debugging. So friends, there you have it. I hope you have valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.